Shuprabhat, Namaste, and good morning to all my dear audience members seated here today. And I, Jia Solanki, welcome you all on behalf of Mother NutriFoods Limited on this auspicious day of listing ceremony. The company is achieving another yet important milestone in its journey today by getting listed on the prestigious BSE SME platform. So before we begin and before we move further, I would just like to ask all of you with the highest of spirit, please give the company a huge round of applause. And to also energize yourself and get in the spirit of celebrating this event and taking in every moment because, as everybody knows, this only happens once. I request everybody to please now stand up for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you all. With this national anthem, let us all pledge to serve and further our country's nation. To give you a little brief about the company that we've all gathered here today to celebrate, incorporated in 2022, Mother NutriFoods Limited is a B2B peanut butter manufacturing offering more than 10 flavors and over 5 variants of peanut butter. The company markets its product under the brand Spread and Eat, which is sold in international markets such as Libya, Dubai, and more recently in Japan. Alongside its own brand, the company undertakes private labeling for domestic and international clients, supplying hypermarkets, supermarkets, and retail chains as well. And its private label customer base spans multiple countries across the world, including UK, United States, Germany, Portugal, Africa, to name a few. The company is taking a yet another important milestone in their journey today. The listing is symbolic of a start of a bigger competition along with other companies in the open market. So let us all wish, pray, and give them the best luck that they come out of this as a champion of all the other companies. Moving forward, we have a beautiful panel of guests here today with us. So I request Mr. Rajnibhai Thakur, whole-time director of Mother NutriFoods, to please join us on the stage to present a welcome bouquet as a token of gratitude and welcome to our esteemed guest, Mr. Ketan Jantre, Head Trading Operations, Listing BSE. I request Ketan sir to please join us on the stage. We will move forward by inviting Mr. Umesh Sheth, Director of Mother NutriFoods, to come on the stage and present a welcome bouquet to our esteemed guest, Mr. Bipin Bhanushali, President, Investment Banking at Marwadi Chandarana Group. I request Umesh sir. And now, moving forward, I request our panel of guests, seated in the audience to please come forward and light the lamp in the name of God to hope and pray for better success, prosperity, and health to come to not only company but to all the people that surround us. For that, I would like to request Mr. Chintan Thakur, Chairman and Managing Director, Rajnikant Thakur, Executive Director, Umesh Bhai Sheth, Whole-Time Director, Mr. Ketan Jantre, Head Trading Operations Listing PSC, Bipin Bhanushali, President at Marwana Chandarana Group, Param Pujya Goswami 108 Shri Hari Rai Ji Mahoday Shri, Param Pujya Mahant Shri Bharadwaj Giri Bapu, Mahant Shri Vijaypuri Maharaj, and Harish Bhai Sangui as well. Along with that, I would also like to invite Anthony Dumas sir and Harish Sangui sir to join us for the lamp lighting.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः ज्योतिषां
Thank you so much to our esteemed panel of guests present here with us. As we all know, we have an extra added blessing with our Maharaj Shri present here. And we all hope that God provides us with prosperity, health, success, and the wisdom to always choose the right path. Moving forward, I request, there is a camera behind which is running a live on YouTube platform. So I request all the guests, whenever they come forward, to please go back to their seats immediately so as to not disturb the live. Moving forward, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Rajni Bhai Thakur, Whole-Time Director of Mother Nutri Foods Limited, to present a welcome bouquet as a token of gratitude and welcome from the company to our esteemed guest of today, Mr. Ketan Jantre, Thank you so much, Rajni sir. Moving forward, let us start by asking the Chairman and Managing Director of Mother Nutri Foods, Mr. Chintan Rajnikant Thakur, to please say a few happy words on this occasion. Please, sir.
Good morning, everyone, and Jai Shri Krishna to JJ, Bapu, and all the dignitaries present here. I truly, and from bottom of my heart, I welcome all of you to be part of our journey and our success. It's truly a proud and emotional moment for all of us at Mother Nutri Foods. Today marks not just the listing of our company, but the celebration of a vision that began with a simple dream to create quality food products and the trust and love, foundation of which was laid by two visionary and strong pillars of Mother Nutri Foods Limited, my dad, Rajni Bhai Thakur, and Umesh Bhai Sheth. When this journey started, we had challenges, uncertainties, and a long road ahead. But what kept us going was the belief in our people, in our quality, and in our purpose. Every member of Mother Nutri Foods, from the factory floor to the management team, has contributed to this movement with dedication, integrity, and hard work. Our journey has been guided by strong values, honesty, and sustainability, and excellence, result of which today we are standing tall at the oldest exchange of Asia, BSE, and we truly are thankful to BSE to give us this opportunity to to share our vision and to achieve something very big. Thank you very much. We also thank to our investors, our partners, especially Anthony, who has flown from South Africa in a very short notice, Haresh Bhai, and all the dignitaries. Thank you for trusting in us. Thank you for believing in our vision as well. Your confidence strengthens our commitment to growth and innovation. To our customers, who are heart of our story, and to our employees, this achievement belongs to you. All the employees who have given their day and night and made sure that what we are, it is because of you guys. Thank you very much. Going public is not the end of our journey. It's a new beginning. It's a beginning for something big. It's a beginning wherein in coming days, we have thought of being a multinational brand, and we need all your support and all your dedication to us, especially our employees. Once again, thank you very much. હવે ઇંગ્લિશમાં બોલું છું ને આપણે અહીંયા વધારે ગુજરાતી છે તો ગુજરાતીમાં નહીં બોલું તો બધાને મજા નહીં આવે. તમારો બધાનો દિલથી આભાર માનું છું કે તમે આ મારા પ્રસંગમાં અમને સાથ સહકાર અને અમારી સાથે જોડાણા. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ. થેન્ક યુ.
Thank you so much, sir. Moving forward, I'd like to request on the dais our esteemed guest, Mr. Ketan Jantre, Head Trading Operations, PSC, to please join us and present a few words on this occasion.
Good morning, everybody, and a warm welcome to all present over here on the listing ceremony of Mother Nutri Foods Limited on the BSC Star BSC SME platform. On behalf of BSC, I would welcome Sri Chintan Thakkar, Chairman and Managing Director, Mother Nutri Foods Limited, Sri Bipin Bhanushali, President Investment Banking, Marwadi Chandarana Group, Sri Rajnikant Indubai Thakkar, Executive Director, Mother Nutri Foods Limited, Sri Umesh Bhai Kantilal Seth, Whole-Time Director, Mother Nutri Foods Limited. I congratulate the company on the overwhelming subscription of 15.92 times over the issue size of 39.6 crores. Today we celebrate the remarkable journey of a company built on a simple yet powerful vision to make nutritious eating accessible not only in the country but throughout the world. In an era where consumers prefer nutrition-rich foods, the promoters of Mother Nutri Foods Limited have had a vision and identified an opportunity to focus on a product that aligns perfectly well with this generation's preferences. Peanut butter, a wholesome source of protein, healthy fats and essential nutrients. What a choice to look at. It has also shown and demonstrated how Indian SMEs are scaling globally by combining quality standards and strategic partnerships. As a B2B peanut butter manufacturer, where the company also owns its brands Spread and Eat, the company exports to countries like Libya, Dubai, Japan, while serving the other leading hypermarkets and retail chains across the other continents like Europe, North America, Asia, and Africa through private labeling. It ensures global compliance and product quality and nutritional integrity. The brand itself is steadily growing, offering diverse flavors and health-focused options and variants to meet the evolving consumer preferences over the worldwide. It would be pertinent to note that by combining robust quality assurances, advanced R&D, and strategic private label partnerships, the company demonstrates how Indian SMEs can penetrate into global retail chains while maintaining high standards of nutrition and safety. Traditionally, it has always been a challenge for the SMEs to raise capital. This is where BAC SMA platform plays a very transformative role. It empowers SMEs to raise funds, enhance credibility, and attract investors. Today's listing of Mother Nutri Foods Limited exemplifies this synergy about the way how the government also wants to fuel this industry. BAC SMA platform ensures that the promising enterprises can leverage these opportunities. Mother Nutri Foods, through this IPO proceeds, is set to nearly double its manufacturing capacity, and also showcasing that how the platform provided by BAC is also empowering businesses to scale up, not only nationally but even globally. When the SME platform initial days it began, the average issue size was around 5 crores, which has grown today to nearly 40 crores, showing its immense potential to help small businesses scale. Over the past decades, BAC SMA platform has emerged as a trusted partner to over 660 ambitious enterprises, enabling them to raise over 13,000 crores, whose market capitalization today stands around over 2 lakh crores. Nearly one third of the listed SMEs have migrated to the main board, showcasing strong growth trajectories. BAC also holds the distinction of world's largest exchange by the number of listed companies and stands as one of the India's oldest and the most trusted public institutions. Over the years, it has facilitated wealth creation of over 5.2 trillion US dollars through both equity and debt markets. We congratulate the promoters once again, the management team and all the stakeholders for this achievement and wish them continued success in spreading health and taste across the world. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I would like to mention one thing that Chintan sir said today કે અહીંયા આપણે બધા ગુજરાતી ભેગા થયા છીએ અને જ્યારે ગુજરાતી લોકો ભેગા થયા હોય ત્યારે થોડુંક તો ગુજરાતી બોલવું બને છે. આપણી વચ્ચે આજે હાજર થયેલ છે એક હસ્તી, તો હું એમને બોલાવીશ સ્ટેજ પર. પરમ પૂજ્ય ગોસ્વામી 108 શ્રી હરિરાયજી મહોદય શ્રી જે સ્ટેજ પર આવે અને તેમનું આશીર્વચન આપે. પ્લીઝ.
जगद्गुरु श्रीमद् वल्लभाधीश की जय. सर्वप्रथम अत्र उपस्थित महानुभावों संताचार्यों ने नमन करता. मुझे आज बहुत गर्व है, बहुत आनंद है कि परम भगवदीय उमेश भाई, रजनी भाई, चिंतन भाई और यहाँ उपस्थित जितने भी मेरे साथ जुड़े हुए पिछले कुछ सालों से वैष्णव हैं, उन सभी को जब मैं यहाँ बीएससी के स्टेज पर जब मैं खड़ा हुआ देख रहा हूँ तो शायद ही मुझसे अधिक गर्व किसी को हो रहा होगा. यहाँ पर सफलता की जो दौड़ है, प्राचीन लोगों से ऐसा सुना कि एक युवान जो है वो किसी संत के पास गया, कहने लगा कि मैं बहुत जल्दी सफल हो जाऊं, मुझे ऐसा कुछ दीजिए. संत ने दूसरे दिन सुबह ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में 4 बजे उस युवान को एक सुंदर पवित्र तालाब के पास बुलाया. उस कुंड में धीरे धीरे एक एक स्टेप दोनों अंदर उतरते गए पानी में. जब वक्षस्थल तक, सीने तक जल आ गया, तब उससे पूछा कि अब तुम मांगो जो वरदान तुम मुझसे कल मांग रहे थे. युवान ने फिर से कहा कि मैं बहुत सक्सेसफुल हो जाऊं, बहुत सफल हो जाऊं, मुझे ऐसा कुछ दीजिए. उसका सिर पकड़ के और उसको पानी में डुबो दिया. 10-12 सेकंड के बाद उसका सिर बाहर निकाला। कहा बता तुझे पानी के अंदर क्या याद आया? तो युवान ने कहा कि बस मैं श्वास कैसे लूं ये याद आया। जैसे तू अपने श्वास के लिए तड़प रहा है, ऐसे तू अपने ध्येय के लिए जब तक तड़पेगा तो अपने आप सक्सेसफुल होता चला जाए, है ना? There has been times when we are afraid. There has been times when we really want to play safe. We want to step back. But this is the time to move forward towards growth. Take some risk. It's amazing. There's nothing wrong in it. Because when you keep on thinking about growth again and again, you will be successful again and again. That's what I believe. So once again, હું આપ બધાને ખૂબ ખૂબ મંગળ વધાઈ આપું છું. આ મધર ન્યુટ્રી ફ્રૂટ્સ જોડે જે જોડાયેલા છે બધા જ પદાધિકારીઓને, કર્મચારીઓને, પ્રત્યક્ષ અને પરોક્ષ રૂપે જોડાયેલા હું થેન્કફુલ છું. આઈ એમ રિયલી થેન્કફુલ કે ફોર ધીસ બિગ ઇવેન્ટ યુ હેવ ઇન્વાઇટેડ મી એન્ડ આઈ એમ સો વેરી ઓનર્ડ ટુ બી પાર્ટ ઓફ ઇટ. મને ખૂબ જ આનંદ છે કે હું પણ આનો એક ભાગ બની શક્યો છું અને ખૂબ જ ગર્વ છે આ બધા ઉપર. અને અગેન વી ડોન્ટ વોન્ટ ટુ બી મલ્ટીનેશનલ, વી આર મલ્ટીનેશનલ, વી વોન્ટ ટુ બી ધ નંબર વન મલ્ટીનેશનલ. સો દેટ્સ ઓલ. પ્રભુ ચરણોમાં વિનંતી કરું છું કે ખૂબ સક્સેસ મળે આપ સૌને અને બધા સ્વસ્થ રહો, સુખી રહો, ખૂબ આનંદ કરો. થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.
ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર મહેન્દ્રશ્રી. આગળ વધતા સ્ટેજ પર ઇન્વાઇટ કરીશ હું પરમ પૂજ્ય મહંત શ્રી ભારદ્વાજ ગુરુ બાપુ, જે આવે સ્ટેજ પર અને એમના આશીર્વચનથી આપ સૌને આશીર્વાદ આપે.
હરિ ઓમ. વક્રતુંડમ મહાકાય સૂર્યકોટિ સમપ્રભો નિર્વિઘ્નમ કુરુ મે દેવ સર્વકાર્યેષુ સર્વદા. યા દેવી સર્વભૂતેષુ માતૃરૂપેણ સંસ્થિતા નમસ્તસ્ય 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 નમો નમઃ. ગુજરાતીમાં ચાલશે ને? આજે બીએસસી ઓફિસના મધ્યમાં ઉપસ્થિત રજનીભાઈ ઠાકર અને એમની મધર ન્યુટ્રિશન ફૂડ લિમિટેડના આઈપીઓના લિસ્ટિંગ સમયે ઉપસ્થિત તમામ ગ્રુપની સાથે જોડાયેલા ઇન્વેસ્ટરો, મહેમાનો, સંતો, પ્રિયજનો અને આત્મીય હિતેચ્છી લોકો, જે સાધારણ પરિવારમાંથી એક નાનામાં નાના શહેરમાંથી આવી અને સંપૂર્ણ ગ્લોબલ વર્લ્ડ, જે કે સંપૂર્ણ દુનિયાની અંદર આજે માણસનો પરિચય કેવી રીતે થાય છે? 3 વ્યવસ્થાઓથી. એક તો એની લેંગ્વેજથી, બોલી ભાષાથી, બીજો એનો વ્યવહારથી અને ત્રીજો વેપારથી. તો વેપાર એક એવું માધ્યમ છે કે વેપારના માધ્યમથી સંપૂર્ણ સંસારની સાથે તમે જોડાઈ શકો છો, કનેક્ટ થઈ શકો છો. અને જે ખાસ કરીને કિસાન પરિવારમાંથી આવીને અમારા ક્ષેત્રની અંદર જે કાઠિયાવાડ, સૌરાષ્ટ્રની અંદર તેનો મુખ્ય વ્યવસાય ખેતી છે અને ખેતીને લાગતી પ્રોડક્ટ બનાવી અને એમના ઉત્પાદનને સંપૂર્ણ દુનિયાની અંદર પહોંચાડવાનો પ્રયાસ કર્યો છે એવા શ્રી રજનીભાઈ ઠાકર અને એની સંપૂર્ણ ફેમિલી, સાથે સાથે એમના સાથે જોડાયેલા તમામ ઉદ્યોગપતિઓ, મિત્રો અને બિઝનેસમેનોને ખૂબ ખૂબ હૃદયના ભાવથી આશીર્વાદ આપું છું કે આવી સારી પ્રોડક્ટ કરી અને એમનું જે મધર ન્યુટ્રિશન ફ્રૂટ લિમિટેડ સંપૂર્ણ સંસારમાં પહોંચે, બધી બાજુથી ખૂબ જ સક્સેસ થાય. અને આ પ્રોગ્રામની અંદર આવેલા તમામ લોકોને હૃદયથી આશીર્વાદ આપું છું. તન મન ધનથી ભગવાન સિદ્ધ ગણેશ બધાને સ્વસ્થ રાખે, ખુશ રાખે, પ્રસન્ન રાખે. અસ્તુ. નમો નારાયણ.
ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર. Moving forward, I would also like to invite on the stage Mr. Harish Sanghvi, CEO, Veena Developers, to please join us on the stage and present a few words. Please, sir.
પૂજ્ય જેજેના ચરણોમાં દંડવત પ્રણામ. પૂજ્ય આચાર્યોના ચરણોમાં દંડવત પ્રણામ. અને આપ સર્વ આજે 3 તારીખની સવારે બીએસસી, જે એશિયાનું સૌથી બિગેસ્ટ બીએસસી ગણવામાં આવે છે, એ બીએસસીના બિલ્ડિંગની અંદર આપ બધા પધાર્યા, એ સર્વનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત. ખાસ તો આજ અમારા માટે અને આપ સર્વ માટે એક અભિમાનની વાત છે કે એક નાના એવા શહેરની અંદર જ્યાં 50,000થી લાખની વસ્તી હોય અને જ્યાં આગળ કોઈ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીના ફેમિલીમાંથી આવતો હોય, કોઈ મોટા બિઝનેસ ફેમિલીમાં આવતો હોય ને એનો ગ્રોથ થાય એ તો સામાન્ય છે. પણ જ્યારે કોઈ બેઝ ન હોય અને જેમ બાપુએ કીધું કે એક એગ્રીકલ્ચર પરિવાર એક ઇન્ટરનેશનલ લેવલ સુધી પહોંચે એ કોઈ સામાન્ય વાત નથી. આ પહોંચવા માટે એક જીવનનું લક્ષ્ય હોવું જોઈએ કે ભાઈ જ્યારે આજ 2015 રદીભાઈને તો હું છેલ્લા 30-40 વર્ષથી ઓળખું છું કે ભાઈ અમારે આ પંથ પર જવું છે, પણ ખાલી વિચારથી તો કામ થવાનું નથી. એના માટે સખત પુરુષાર્થ પણ લાગે છે, એને માટે વિચાર પણ લાગે છે. અને જેમ જેમ દિવસો બદલાતા જાય છે તેમ તેમ અત્યારના લોકો સાથે, યંગ જનરેશન સાથે મેચ થવું એ બહુ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે અને ત્યારે જ આવો વિકાસ થઈ શકે છે. એમાં રદીભાઈના સન જે ચિંતન, હું ચિંતનને ઘણીવાર મળેલો છું, એમની સાથે ઘણી વખત ડિસ્કશન પણ કર્યું છે. એમનો જે વિચાર હતો કે કંપનીને કયા લેવલ પર લઈ જાવી. આજે એક સામાન્ય નાના શહેરમાં રહેતો વ્યક્તિ જ્યારે ઇન્ટરનેશનલ લેવલ સુધી પહોંચવું છે તો એના માટે કેટલા બધા વિચારો સ્ટ્રોંગ જોઈએ. જેમ મહારાષ્ટ્રે કીધું કે સક્સેસ થવા માટે પહેલાં ડૂબકી લગાવો એટલે તમને શું યાદ આવ્યું? તો કે શ્વાસ. એટલે એ શ્વાસ કેટલો ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ હતો એ સમજાવવું. એમ જીવનમાં જ્યારે પ્રોગ્રેસ કરવી છે, કોઈ જગ્યા પર પહોંચવું છે તો એના માટે એક ધ્યેય નક્કી હોવો જોઈએ. તો ખૂબ ખૂબ રદીભાઈ ઠાકરને, ઉમેશભાઈ શેઠને, ચિંતનભાઈને અને જેમને આ લિસ્ટેડ કરવા માટે જે કેતનભાઈ એમને અમને હેલ્પ કરેલી છે અને સમસ્ત ઇન્વેસ્ટર લોકો અહીંયા પધાર્યા એ લોકોનો સર્વનો હું એક રદીભાઈના મિત્ર તરીકે સર્વનો બધા ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર માનું છું. અને હું ઠાકોરજી સાથે એવી વિનંતી કરું કે આ કંપની જેમ જે કીધું કે ગ્લોબલ નંબર 1 થવી જોઈએ એમ થવું જોઈએ. થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.
Thank you so much, sir. Moving forward, I would like to now invite on the stage Mr. Anthony Dumas, CEO of Omni Group, to please join us and present a few words on this occasion.
Hi. This is not usual for me to stand up on a stage, so forgive me if I'm not a natural speaker and I'm following some tough acts, I can see. Chintan, thank you so much for this honor. You referred to us as a customer. I'd like to correct that. We're more like family and partners. And for me, today reflects the reason why in 2010, when we came to India for the first time, and I partnered up with Ravi, my partner, and Jay, our CFO, to start a journey with Mother Nutri. It was more because of the love of India and its people, and the belief that India could feed the world. You referred a lot about nutrition in some of the speeches. We're a firm believer that India has the ability to feed the world. And if India is just allowed to do what India does best, it will do that. The only thing I would say in encouragement of Mother Nutri as they go on this next part of the journey is don't let the world change you, you change it. You have the ability as India to create, not to compete. Don't try and compete. Don't follow the Americans, don't follow the others. Make India what India is. A great place. To the Indian Stock Exchange, thank you for everything you're doing for small business. I wish more countries in the world had this vision, because in the food industry, there's a very fast decline of the mid-tier producer globally, and it's going to create a food security problem to this world. And thank you for what you're doing for food security, not only in India, but globally. That is me. Thank you so much for having me at this event. It's a real privilege. And I look forward to the next journey of growing Mother Nutri to become the #1 in peanut butter in the world.
As Anthony so beautifully said, don't let the world change you, you change the world. And with that, on that good note, let me invite on the stage Mr. Bipin Bhanushali, President Investment Banking from Marwadi Chandarana Group. Please, sir, I request you to join us on the stage and present a
એટલે બધા ગુજરાતીમાં બોલી ગયા એટલે મારે ગુજરાતીમાં જ બોલવાનું જ ને, એવું ને. પહેલાં તો ગુડ મોર્નિંગ બધા પધારેલ મહેમાનોને અને બીએસસી તરફથી કેતન સર જે મહાનુભાવ સંતોને ચરણોમાં વંદન. બીએસસી એસએમઈ, થેન્ક યુ ફોર ગિવિંગ ધીસ પ્લેટફોર્મ. જે નાના એસએમઈઝને જે પ્લેટફોર્મ મળે છે, સતત મને લાગે મારું 9મું વર્ષ છે એસએમઈઝને લિસ્ટ કરવામાં. અને ઠાકર ફેમિલી, શેઠ ફેમિલી, થેન્ક યુ અમારા પર આ વિશ્વાસ મૂકવા કે આ કાર્ય અમારાથી થઈ શકશે. જેમ જે કીધું કે શ્વાસ, હરેશભાઈએ કીધું શ્વાસ, હું બી ગુજરાતીમાં 2-3 નાની નાની કહેવતો છે એ કહીશ કે નિશાન ચૂક માફ, નહીં માફ નીચું નિશાન, પહેલું. બીજું, આપ મરો તો જ સ્વર્ગ જવાય. ક્રાંતિ છે ને બાજુવાળાના ઘરેથી ક્યારેય ચાલુ નથી થતી, ક્રાંતિ પોતાના ઘરેથી જ ચાલુ થાય છે. ઠીક છે. નાનું ફેમિલી, નાનું ગામ અને ખેડૂત પરિવાર. મહુવાની પહેલી કંપની છે જે લિસ્ટ થવા જઈ રહી છે, ગુજરાતના શહેર મહુવાની પહેલી કંપની છે. એટલે શેઠ બનતા કે બોસ બનતા તો ઘણાને આવડતું હોય છે. લીડર બનવાની કલા છે ને એ સમય નથી શીખવાડતું, એ જન્મ સાથે જ આવે છે. અને આ કળામાં કદાચ ઠાકર પરિવાર અને શેઠ પરિવાર મહારત હાંસલ કરી ચૂક્યું છે. એટલે ખૂબ ખૂબ વધાઈઓ. અને ચિંતનભાઈએ પોતાની સ્પીચમાં ઘણી વખત કીધું બિગિનિંગ બિગિનિંગ બિગિનિંગ, યસ. અને હું કદાચ મજાકમાં કહેતો હોઉં એટલે કદાચ રેકોર્ડ ન થાય ને ઓફ રેકોર્ડ કે બહુ નસીબવાળા હો ને તો લગ્ન કદાચ 2-3 વખત થાય, પણ લિસ્ટિંગ તો એક જ વખત થાય. ઠીક છે. તો ખૂબ ખૂબ વધાઈઓ. અને યસ, ઇટ્સ અ બિગિનિંગ, ઇટ્સ અ ફર્સ્ટ સ્ટેપ ટુવર્ડ્સ ધ બિગર જર્ની, બેટર જર્ની. અને પાછું જ્યાંથી કંઈક આવેલું છે ને એ સોસાયટીને પાછું આપવાનું છે. ન્યુટ્રી ફૂડ, ન્યુટ્રી ફૂડ, ન્યુટ્રી ફૂડ. તો સોસાયટીને આપણે સારું ખવડાવશું, સારું પીવડાવશું અને સારા વિચારો આપશું. થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.
થેન્ક યુ સો મચ સર, રાઇટલી સેડ. પણ પ્રાર્થના કરીએ લગન પણ 2 વાર ના જ થાય. Moving forward, I request our esteemed guest of today, Mr. Ketan Jantre, Head Trading Operations, BSE, to please join us on the stage to present the memento from BSE to company promoters, Mr. Chintan Thakur, Chairman and Managing Director, and Mr. Rajnibhai Thakur, Whole-Time Director of Mother Nutri Foods. I request both the sirs, along with Mr. Umesh Bhai Sheth, who is also the Whole-Time Director of Mother Nutri Foods. I request all the sirs to please join us on the stage. And I request Ketan sir to please present the memento. As you can see, we have a beautiful bell gong memento along with a tree of brilliance memento, and both of them have beautiful symbolic meanings. Thank you so much to all the directors. Thank you so much. I request Ketan sir to remain standing and present our next memento to Mr. Bipin Bhanushali, President, Investment Banking from MCG Group, who was the book running lead manager to the issue. I request Bipin sir to please join us on the stage. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Ketan sir. As you all saw, the company finally received the memento, the listing memento from BSE. And on that note, I would like to ask all of you to please give them a huge round of applause. Because neither the process of building a company or the process of IPO is an easy one. Even the IPO process sometimes takes months, years to bring out. So all the people that were involved, the promoters, the people from PAC for support, the family members, well-wisher, friends, and the most important part, the foundation, the backbone of the company, the employees of the company were all involved since the past few months, I can assure you, in this entire process. Because to bring out an IPO is not an easy feat, and now that they are finally achieving it, this is nothing short of a big victory. So a big congratulations to the entire team of Mother Nutri Foods. Moving forward, I would like to request Mr. Bipin Bhanushali from MCG Group to please join us on the stage and present the memento from the merchant banker to company promoter, Mr. Chintan Thakur, Chairman and Managing Director of Mother Nutri Foods. I request Chintan sir to please join us on the stage and Bipin sir to please present the memento to them. Thank you so much, sir. I request Bipin sir to remain standing and present the next memento to Mr. Ketan Chantre, our esteemed guest from BSE. I request Ketan sir to please join us on the stage and accept this token from the book running lead manager to the issue. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Bipin sir. And to now honor our esteemed guest on behalf of the company, I would like to invite Mr. Chintan Thakur, Chairman and Managing Director from Mother Nutri Foods, to present a memento from Mother Nutri Foods to our esteemed guest, Mr. Ketan Chantre, Head Trading Operations, BSE. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Moving forward, I would like to call upon the stage Mr. Umesh Bhai Sheth, Whole-Time Director of Mother Nutri Foods, to present a memento as a token of gratitude and thank you to Param Pujya Goswami 108 Shri Hari Rai Ji Mahoday Shri. I request our Mahoday Shri to please join us on the stage and accept this token and provide us the company with blessings of success and prosperity. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mahoday Shri. Thank you so much, Umesh sir. Moving forward, I would like to invite on the stage Mr. Rajnikant Thakur, Whole-Time Director of Mother Nutri Foods, to please join us on the stage and present a token of gratitude to Param Pujya Mahan Shri Bharadwaj Giri Bapu, to please join us on the stage and take this token and provide us with blessings of prosperity and success. I would also like to request Rajnikant sir to present another memento of gratitude to Mahant Shri Sthanapati Vijaypuri Maharaj. Thank you so much, Shri Bharadwaj Giri Babu. And now, Rajni sir to present the memento to Mahant Shri Sthanapati Vijaypuri Maharaj. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And now, moving forward, I would like to invite all the dignitaries to name our Sant Mahanubhav જે આપણી જોડે જોડાયા છે, along with the panel of whole-time directors, Chintan sir, Umesh sir, along with Rajnikant sir. I request all of you to please join us on the stage. And our esteemed panel of guests, our esteemed guest from BSc, Mr. Ketan Chantre and Harish Sanghvi sir, to please join us on the stage for the precious moment of listing and bell ringing for listing of Mother Nutri Foods on the BSc SME platform. I also request our merchant banker, Bipin sir, to please join us on the stage. Family members, to also please quickly gather around the bell. As you can see, the timer has started. We have only 50 seconds to go. As you can see, only 30 seconds are left on the timer. I request my dear family members, panel of guests, esteemed guests, to please gather around the bell. I request our respected Sant Mahanubhav to please also join us on the stage. As you can see, the timer has reached 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. The company has successfully received the upper circuit immediately after opening, which is an amazing feat to achieve. तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. A big congratulations to the entire team of Mother Nutri Foods, the team and panel of directors, chairmen, dear employees, family members, well-wishers and supporters as well. We also have Gujarat ex-minister Mr. R.C. Makwana with us. A huge round of applause for him as well for joining us here. બધા એક સાથે ચલો બધા એક સાથે હું હિપ હિપ બોલું ત્યારે હુરે બોલશે સ્ટેજ પરના અને ઓડિયન્સ વાળા લોકો હિપ 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 હિપ. Thank you so much to all the family members. I would also like to request Chintan sir, Umesh sir, Rajni sir, Ketan sir, Bipin sir to please stand near the bell for one photograph. I request all my dear family members એક્ઝેક્ટલી 9:59 આપણે જ્યારે બેલ વગાડીએ છીએ, તમને ખબર જ હશે જ્યારે રેસ દોડવાનું સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ એટલે પહેલાં વી shoot a gun in the air. There is a loud gong in the air before we start a race. આપણે રેસ શરૂ કરીએ એની પહેલાં એક ગોંગ વાગે છે, એક અવાજ આવે છે, એક નાદ થાય છે. That is the start of a race. This right here, when we ring the bell as loud as we can, this is the start of a race. A race against all the other companies in a public market. જ્યાં મોકળું વન છે, જે ground is bigger, the competitors are better, they are far more ahead of us. But the spirit is that we started at the race, we now stand at the beginning, and now all we have to do is run faster than them. So with that spirit that we take today, let us all hope, pray and wish to Mother Nutri Foods that it comes and rises on the top and wins this race against all the other companies. Thank you. Moving forward, I would also like to ask all of you કે આપણે એમની માટે તાળી પાડવાનું કે એમને વધાવવાનું ઓફટન ભૂલી જઈએ છીએ, જે છે આપણું ઘર, આપણું ફાઉન્ડેશન, our mothers, our sisters, our brothers who support us from the backstage. They often are not the face of the camera in front on the stage, but they're always the foundation, the backbone and the motivation we need. કારણ કે પહેલું કહે ને કે જ્યારે સોલ્જર હારીને આવે તો જવાનો ક્યાં છે? ઘરે. So that is the spirit that we should have, and let us all give a huge round of applause to all the mothers, wives, sisters, daughters, brothers and also friends. With that, moving forward, I would like to invite on this stage Mr. Rajnikant Thakur, whole-time director of Mother Nutri Foods, to please join us on the stage and present a memento from the company as a token of gratitude to Mr. Bipin Bhanushali, President of Investment Banking, MCG Group, the book-running lead manager to the issue. I request Bipin sir to please join us on the stage and accept this memento from Mother Nutri Foods. I request the team of MCG Group to quickly join us on the stage. If there are any present, yes, please, quickly. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. For the next one, I would like to invite Mr. Umesh Bhai Sheth on the stage, whole-time director of Mother Nutri Foods, to present a memento of gratitude and thanks to our esteemed guest, Mr. Anthony Dumas, CEO of Omni Group. I request Anthony sir to please join us on the stage along with Umesh sir and to present this token from Mother Nutri Foods. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Umesh, sir. Moving forward, I would like to invite on the stage Mr. Parth Sheth from Mother Nutri Foods to present our next memento to Ratan Chandak and Company, who are the statutory auditors to the issue. I request the team of Ratan Chandak and Company to please join us on the stage along with Parth, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Parth, sir. For the next one, I'd like to invite on the stage Mr. Vijay Thakur from Mother Nutri Foods to present a memento to Vidhigya Associates who were the legal counsel to the offer. I request the team of Vidhigya Associates to please join us on the stage and accept this token from Mother Nutri Foods. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Moving forward, we have a very special blessing amongst us today. ભાઈ શ્રી રમેશભાઈ ઓઝા સાંદીપની આશ્રમથી આપણી માટે આશીર્વચનની સાથે સાથે આશીર્વાદ રૂપક આપણી માટે આશીર્વાદ મોકલાવ્યા છે. ત્યારે શાંતિપની આશ્રમથી હું બોલાવીશ કરુણાભાઈ શંકરને કે તેઓ સ્ટેજ પર આવે, અને હું સાથે સાથે આમંત્રિત કરીશ રજનીકાંત ઠાકરને કે તેઓ પણ આવે અને આ સન્માન અને આશીર્વાદ સ્વીકાર કરે. ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર. ઉમેશ સર અને રજની સરને નમ્ર વિનંતી કે તેઓ સ્ટેજ પર ઉપસ્થિત રહે. અને વિનંતી કરીશ ફેમિલી ફ્રેન્ડ આપણી જોડે જોડાયેલા છે, વેલ વિશર, સપોર્ટર, ફેમિલી ફ્રેન્ડ કહી દો. કેતનભાઈ મહેતા આપણી જોડે જોડાયા છે, ત્યારે હું ઉમેશ સર અને રજનીભાઈને બંનેને વિનંતી કરીશ કે તેઓ સ્ટેજ પર આવે અને કેતનભાઈને ફ્લાવર બુકે અને ટ્રોફી દ્વારા વધાવે. લાલાભાઈ વાડીવાલા તરફથી વિનંતી કરીશ કે તેઓ સ્ટેજ પર આવે અને આ ટોકનને સ્વીકારે. Thank you so much, sirs. Thank you so much. For the next one, I'd like to invite on the stage Mr. Parth Sheth from Mother Nutri Foods to present a memento of gratitude and thank you to Kotak Mahindra Bank, who are the banker to the issue. I request somebody from their team to please join us on the stage and accept this token as gratitude from the company. Thank you so much, sirs. For every beautiful beginning, there must come a bittersweet end. And unfortunately, we are also at the bittersweet end of this beautiful ceremony, where we got to listen such beautiful words. Atla sara motivation, atlu saru motivation મળ્યું, એટલા સારા શબ્દો કીધા લોકોએ. I would also like to invite on the stage once again Mr. Umesh Bhai Sheth and Mr. Rajnibhai Thakur to please join us on the stage and present a memento of gratitude and thank you to Mr. Haresh Sanghvi, CEO of Veena Developers. I request Umesh sir and Rajni sir to please join us on the stage. As I was saying, today we got to hear such beautiful words, whether it is આપણી જોડે જે જોડાયેલા છે સંત મહાનુભાવો, એમના આશીર્વાદ મળે, એમનું આશીર્વચન મળ્યું, whether it was the words of Anthony sir or Harish sir, whether it was motivation from Vipin sir કે એક જ વાર થાય છે, let us all enjoy it, or whether it was the vision and the mission that Chintan sir very rightfully said today, that I want to make this company the multinational company in the world. We got to hear such beautiful words, we got to see such beautiful moments, and now I would like to invite, with that heart and on that note, Miss Pooja Sheth to join us on the dais and present the words of gratitude to all of us. Please, ma'am.
Jai Shri Krishna, distinguished guests, respected partners, valued investors, members of board, friends and family, very good morning. It is truly honored to stand today on behalf of my dad, Umesh Bhai Sheth, and the entire team of Mother Nutri Foods. As we celebrate remarkable milestone of our listing on stock exchange, this is not just a listing, this is a story of a man, my father Umesh Bhai, who turned struggle into strength and dreams into reality. He worked hard not because he had choices, but because he had responsibility. He dreamed not because it was easy, but it was necessary. Every single day, he carried a dream in his heart. From those early days of selling things on streets to forming foundation of Mother Nutri Food. Dad, today, IPO is not a financial achievement. It is celebration of your life's journey. To the team of Mother Nutri, thank you for believing in the vision built not in boardrooms, but real life experiences and real life struggles. To each and everyone, all the members of the team of Mother Nutri Food, you all are here. You all are the reason we are standing here today. You all are the proof no beginning is too small and no dream is too big. You all showed that with hard work and faith, life's toughest beginning can lead to beautiful destinations. To our investors, partners, thank you for seeing potential in our team. Thank you everyone for being part of this historic moment. Here is to the Mother Nutri Food, to the incredible journey ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for those beautiful words. I too also like to thank my dear audience members. First of all, એકવાર જોરદાર તાળીઓ થઈ જાય તમારા માટે. For having high spirits and always clapping when I asked you to. For always clapping when I asked you to, and for also being a lovely audience. We have words of gratitude by Dharmesh Bhai Thakur. So for that, I would also like to invite Dharmesh Bhai on the stage.
Hello everyone and Jai Shri Krishna. I would like to give this speech in our Gujarati language only. Papa, 1996-97 ત્યાર સુધી તમે જોબ કરી મારા ફાધરે મુંબઈમાં કાપડ બજારની. 97માં જ્યારે મહુવા ગયા ત્યારે આવું કોઈ વિઝન નહોતું કે આ સ્ટેજ ઉપર કંપની પહોંચશે, પણ એક આત્મવિશ્વાસ હતો મારા ફાધરને, મારા બેઉ કાકા ઉપર અને પોતા ઉપર કે એ એક દિવસ એ સ્ટેજ ઉપર પહોંચશે કે જ્યાં આગળ એમના ફેમિલીને ખાલી ટોપ ગિયર પર ગાડી ચલાવવી પડે, આગળની બધી જ વસ્તુ મારા ફાધર, મારા કાકા વિનુ કાકા અને જયેશ કાકા એ લોકોએ પૂરી પાડી શકે. પપ્પા, આજે એ દિવસ અમને બરાબર યાદ છે જ્યારે આપણે આપણી જર્ની સિદ્ધિવિનાયક નગરથી ચાલુ કરી હતી. જે ઘરની સાઇઝ 150 સ્ક્વેર ફૂટ હતી ત્યાંથી આજે જે આપણા ઘરની સાઇઝ 3600 સ્ક્વેર ફૂટ છે. સ્પીચ દેવી કે નાના સિટીથી ચાલુ થયા, નાના ગામથી ચાલુ થયા, એગ્રીકલ્ચરલ વસ્તુથી ચાલુ કર્યું, પણ આ સ્ટેજ ઉપર પહોંચવું it was and it will be really a very big milestone for our family, led by our father Rajnibhai Thakur and both my uncles. Thank you very much.
ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર ધર્મેશભાઈ. Moving forward, I would also like to present a vote and note of thanks to our esteemed guests from BSc, our holy blessings from the Sant Mahanubhav that are present with us here today, the panel of guests that have joined us here today, directors, the employees of Mother Nutri Foods, family members, well-wishers, and my dear audience members. Thank you all for taking out time from your busy schedules and joining us here. We shall meet again to celebrate bigger and bigger milestones when the company celebrates it. So with that note, I, Jia Solanki, would like to rest my words. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. We have arranged a beautiful a breakfast this side, so you can all proceed with that. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.